So when we talk about a young woman with cancer, we're talking about a woman who is under 40 or who is premenopausal. And there are a whole range of challenges that women who are young face that older women don't face. It's fair to say that breast cancer has an impact on sexuality and body image regardless of the age that you're at. But when you're younger and perhaps seeking a partner, perhaps more sexually active, I think there is more of a sense of body confidence being an issue, being more self-conscious about scars, about weight. Conceiving a pregnancy after treatment might be more difficult. So some women will go into an early menopause and that menopause becomes permanent. For other women, the menopause is temporary. And that, of course, is very difficult for a woman who hasn't completed her family or who hasn't even started a family. And if they do have a family, they tend to still be quite young. When a young mum hears that she has cancer, the first thing she thinks is, will I be here to see my children grow up? One of the other impacts that breast cancer has on young women is in terms of their career development. And there's a sense of lost opportunities where other people are getting ahead and you're forced into a holding pattern. And sometimes you can recover from that, and sometimes it feels that you may not recover from that. We live in a culture that is awash with toxic positivity, and we're encouraged to think positive, be strong, be our best selves. And that's an incredible amount of pressure to place yourself under, and it's not realistic. The best way to support is to listen to them, to validate their feelings, to allow them to speak about how they feel without stopping to tell them that things are going to be okay. This is an unexpected, very abnormal stressor for a young person, and it seems particularly cruel and unfair to think that you may have a life-limiting disease. But I think it's also really helpful to remember that treatment is advancing all the time. So I think it's important not to lose hope, and it's important to keep the conversation going and support each other